Hello, I'm Professor Marcelo Kohen, the Secretary General of the Institute of International Law, commonly known by its name in French, the Institut de Droit International. Today, I would like to introduce the Institute, its organization, and its work. The Institute of International Law was founded on September the 8th, 1873, in Ghent, Belgium. 11 renowned internationalists had decided to meet to establish an institution independent of any governmental influence, which would be able to contribute to the development of international law and act so that it might be implemented.